Hi guys, my name is EIJ, aka Michael. I'm in AK now. So, ignore the background noises from the room. So, anyway, he's gonna review on it. Just tell you guys what you think about that. So, I'm just gonna test it out. So, here we go. The old one. Wow. This time, you won't, and I won't mute it, cause it says you won't get copyrighted. So, here we go.
This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
Okay. Do you want to hear my further guess? In AK, I cannot switch camera around. Let me turn on the mic. So, the AK version is I can't turn the camera around. I have to do peace sign. Yeah, peace out emoji. Yeah. Anyway, so my verdict is the original EAS test in Illinois fixed. Not fixed. Illinois EAS test, monthly test of original male voice. It's better off using it. I can see some people like both versions, some people don't. So anyway, that's my verdict of the anything like that. So until next time, everybody, see you on the next episode. Peace out, home dog.